Did you know US politicians have to report every stock they buy or sell? Let me show you how to spy on their trades. This is SensaMarket's Politician Trade Tool. It tracks 535 senators and House members, updated daily. You can see exactly what they bought, what they sold, and how much money was involved. Want to see only the big trades? Open filters. I'll pick purchases over $200,000, stocks only. Boom, instantly filtered. Click any politician's name to dig deeper. Let's look at Nancy Pelosi as an example. Her net worth is $231 million. Under the Trades tab, every purchase, sale, and partial sale is listed, with the ticker, date, dollar amount, and percent change. You can filter by purchase, sale, or partial. Click Current Portfolio to see what she actually owns right now. Apple is her biggest holding at 36%, followed by Amazon and Google. And the Net Worth tab shows her wealth over time, plus every property and asset she owns. That's it. Simple and updated every day. Link below. Go track your politicians.